Hey everybody, it's Jennifer.
And Claire.
We were gifted 24 slap bracelets. They're perfect for parties. You can use them just like this as a normal slap bracelet. Slap one on me, Claire. Done. Let me slap one on you. Ta-da. Okay, a slap bracelet is just that. You slap it on your arm and it collapses. These come in a bunch of different dinosaur prints. They are all really cute. It's white on the back, very thin, and again, they slap onto your wrist. If you want to get fancy, these come with two-sided Velcro dots and all of these cute little dinosaurs. Claire, which dinosaur would you like to put on your slap bracelet? Okay, we're gonna take off two of the Velcros. There you go. Put them on the back. They're sticky, pre-sticky. Put your dinosaur on there. Cute. Okay, let me put one on mine. Claire, which one should I put on mine?
I don't know, you can choose.
How about I'm gonna take this guy. Okay, and then during the party, we can switch dinosaurs.
They really are.
That really sticks to that. And there you go. Okay, let's take a close-up look at everything that you get in the package. Look at these vibrant colors. Love these cartoon prints on here. You get 24 DIY slap bracelets, perfect for a dinosaur party. These would also be great for a treasure chest in a teacher's classroom. So much fun. You could also use these for Halloween. Check them out.